The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 2. Parliament. Powers, privileges and immunities of Parliament, and its members. Article 106. Salaries and allowances of members. Members of either House of Parliament shall be entitled to receive such salaries and allowances as may from time to time be determined by Parliament by law. And, until provision in that respect is so made, allowances at such rates, and upon such conditions, as were immediately before the commencement of this Constitution, applicable in the case of members of the Constituent Assembly of the Dominion of India.